Oh, I'm so ready for 4th of July. 2 more days. Like, I'm ready. That light just sparked me up. Because I want to go boom. Wait, who's that? What did you mean? I'm Starfire. Who are you? I'm a firework. Who are you? I'm a firework. Wait, who's that? I'm Icebreaker. What are you? Something I can find in the freezer? No. Starfire. What the heck? Are you from like the TV show or something? No. Ew. What over here? What the? What are you? Why are you so tiny compared to us? Yeah, why are you so tiny? Look at me, I'm like the biggest one here. I think I'm a little taller. But but I can do better. You only have one explosion. I have 2. Okay, that doesn't matter. Okay. No, I think 1 is better than 2. That makes no sense. 2 is better than 1. But I'm heavier. How? Because heavier, the firework longer is. Look at my performance. I'm blue. What are you? Like, you don't have a performance on your thing. Yeah, and what's that supposed to mean? I have a performance. Okay, show me. It's behind me. Look to the side. Right there. I can barely even see that. I need glasses for that. Yeah, you know what? Because you're blind. Okay, and I'm like new. I never got been letting off before. Yeah, that's what they all say. Who say it? It's blessed. Yeah, I'm blessed. Whoa, look to me. Look what I am. I have a stand. You know why? Because I shoot up in the air. No, where? Yeah, you don't shoot. How many shots? 1? You only have 1 shot? Go talk to Black Hat. Where's Black Hat? Somewhere dark. He's in the bag in the closet. He's going to be destroyed. He has 3 shots, or maybe like 6 shots. How he has 6 shots? That's a lot of shots. Hey, look over here. I'm literally a rocket. Have you ever seen a rocket firework before? I go up in the air and explode. Are you sure? What's that say underneath? Fountain? No, that doesn't say fountain. You're a fountain. You're a fountain. Wait, Icebreaker. Are you a fountain? No. Wait, your performance. I don't see any explosions on it. I see fountain. No. I'm not a fountain. How many shots do you have? I can't tell you that. It's secret. I don't shoot on the fountain too. Okay, let me see. I have 2. Well, you have 2 blasts too? Yeah, me too. Me too. At least he has a shot. But you're a fountain. Okay, and wait, who are you? Huh? Hey. Yeah, I'm like the best firework ever. How many shots do you have? Yeah. Um. Uh. 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 A lot. I can tell you, it's a lot. He probably doesn't even have shots. Yeah, he doesn't have shots. Bruh, he doesn't even have shots. What the heck? I'm a fountain. I think I can do better. Look at, I'm blue. Yeah, no. You suck. What do you mean? I'm like one of the best fireworks. Like, no way. I can go up in the air too. I have a lot of smoke. Yeah, no one wants to talk to you. So yeah. He's the worst firework probably here. You all agree. Hey, there's somebody coming. What? Okay, be quiet. Where's this lighter at? Find it. Let's see. Lighter. Is it here? Oh, here it is. Put this right here. I can't wait for 4th of July. Wait, where's my friend at? Oh wait, he went home. Forgot he was sick. He was having sleepover, but he's gone. Sick. I'm kind of hungry. I have to go. Oh. Okay, he's gone. He's okay, he's gone. Oh wait, is that Ryder? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a big fan, and I want to get lit up by you. Like, yeah. Be quiet. I got this. Let me talk. So yeah, I like getting light up. Like, do you have ever got lit up by a fire? Have you ever lit up a firework before? Yeah, a lot. What's your favorite color? Huh? Shut up! I got this. What's your favorite holiday? 4th of July. Because I get used a lot. I don't get used that much. Yeah. We never got sparked. Sorry, my friends. They're kind of dumb. Yeah, we never got sparked up before. And we're excited. Yeah, I'm excited to get sparked. I'm like the best firework. What are you? You're probably like a firework that everybody forgets. No. Why? No. No. That's not true. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I don't know. What are you? Yeah, you suck. You suck. Yes, you suck. Yeah, you suck. Yeah, you suck. Yeah, you suck. No, that's not fair. I can do way better than all of you. Yeah, no. Hey, somebody's coming. I'm back. I don't know. Yeah, so, yeah. Which fireworks should I let off first? Just started. What are you? I'm going to use this firework. No. So mean. But I never get respected. Ooh, bad for him. Not that bad. Yeah, me either. Yeah, I don't think I'm excited to wait off. It's kind of late. That means it's time. It's time to go to bed. No, Mom! I was going to get ready to light these fireworks off. It's not even 4th of July. Bro. Wait for 4th of July. Wait for part 2.